Welcome to the Fog Motor Pool. Today we're playing around with this, which is the Panhard AML-90. We're just driving it around, so we'll talk through how to drive it, what it's like to drive, which is it's a dream once you can get your gear changes sorted out. And we'll be firing the main armament, so we'll have a look inside the turret, loading around, firing it and ejecting. So looking forward to that. We'll also get a tour in at the end of the inside of the turret and of the driving position, so you've got a fair understanding of what it looks like to be inside one of these. So let's crack on. that's a wrap for today. So it's only for us to jump on the Fardia and rocket our way up to our local inn. Just one quick thing as well, thought we'd show you little bits around the uniform. Obviously you saw us wearing, these are the M47 pattern fireproof or fire retardant overalls. It takes ages to break these in. These are our radio kit, so this is where we're plugged into the armoured car. We can actually speak both to each other and then onto the radio. That takes us to the helmet. These are the later design helmets, so these are the ones from about the 60s going through to about the 80s. They changed the sort of like leather helmet design, not the most flattering, but this one you can see the ear defence is built in, as well as the microphone here. What we have done is we've added a little bit of new kit on here, new technology, because all these wires are a bit frayed, so you can actually see that's just off of a motorcycle helmet, so we can speak to each other. Now interestingly, with the helmets, the earlier design, I'll put one on just because it's a bit easier. So this is the early 50s design. That fits like this, he says, if he can get it on. Goodness me, that is a tight fit. Who had a head that small? And then what you're able to do is you take the M51 helmet shell that goes over the top, like voila. So then you're all fit to go when you're popping your head out of the turret. Is anyone seen Chloe? She was in the turret of the armoured car helping us out. I wanted to help me do a chat about MBC and how you do it in armoured cars, but seemed to have lost. Chloe, what's she done? She done something with her hair. I don't know, maybe some makeup or something. Let's have a... Goodness, Chloe. What a look. So what we've got here is our 50s respirator. She's got a helmet on, she's carrying the MAP 49. So she is ready for action. Inside the turrets of the armoured cars there was no MBC, so they weren't MBC proof, they weren't pressurised or anything, so you're expected to wear your personal nuclear, biological and chemical warfare suit whilst you're inside, which would have made things very hard for you to move around. But enough of that, let's get the Fardia fired up and let's get going. Unfortunately, during filming then, I'd forgot to remove the rubber bung from the bottom of the respirator because it's a new one, and so Chloe was slowly actually expiring inside the mask and we didn't even realise because we were having a laugh at her. But here we go, George is giving it a good go now. So nice one, George, your parents will be proud.